everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm back with another kit. This kit is by request because I had previously sold these about a month and a half ago, the Gypsy Boho fabric kits, and I sold out of them rather quickly, and I've had a couple of people ask me if I would be able to put another kit together, and I have. This one is different. You may see one or two fabrics, but mostly it is different. I've also added some other stuff that I'm going to share with you, but like the other kit, there is 17 fabrics in the kit. Gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics, which I will show you. But this time I'm also giving you a selection of really cool beaded trims as well. So let's get started. Starting off, it's going to have a yard of this beautiful white sari trim. I love this. You can dye it. You can do anything with it. It's beautiful, good quality sari ribbon. Everybody's going to get 10 of the beads, because these are amazing, and look how they sparkle. They're so pretty. I just love these beads. You are going to get a beautiful sari applique, and this is teal and gold. A really nice big piece of this beautiful beaded fabric. Look at that. I mean, who doesn't love that sparkle? It's gorgeous. A nice big piece of one of my favorite new trims, which is this beautiful pink and gold sari trim with the beautiful seed beads and pearls on the bottom. It's a nice big piece. You want to know how long that is? I will tell you. Let's see. That is 15 inches long. So these pieces are about 15 inches. This one is going to be longer. I'm going to say that's probably 22 inches. This one. So that's a bigger piece. So these would be all about the same size then. Again, these are, what did I say? I've forgotten now. 14 to 15 inches, all of these pieces. I'm also including a piece of my handmade Gypsy snippet trim. Look at the sparkle again. I use this all the time. You can cut it in small pieces. It won't come unraveled. It's got some beautiful black lace on the back. Nice big piece. So that's fun and different, and each piece, of course, is going to be slightly different because I made it, but it's a really nice trim. So you're going to get a lovely piece of that, and a nice big piece of this. Look at the glitter. Again, this is about 15 inches, 14, 15 inches. One of my other favorite trims, this beautiful burgundy, velvet, and gold trim, and look at these motifs on here. I mean, just the sparkle. You know, I can just look at that sparkle all day long. A beautiful piece of silver sari trim. Again, about the same size. It's about 15 inches. So that's the trims. And then we've got 17 different fabrics. And I'm starting off with this beautiful piece of, it looks like coffee colored, I would say, lace. And I do include lace in my Gypsy Boho fabric kits because, you know, to me, you need it. I like it to be able to share lace with you as well as fabric. So it's a good thing to have in a kit, I think. We all love lace. So these pieces, I guess you're going to want to know that size too. Let's see here. I'm going to guess they're about 12 by 12. Oh no, they're about 15 by, yeah, 13, 14, 15. They're going to be irregular shaped. Some of them will be slightly bigger, some of them will be slightly smaller, but they're all around that size. So somewhere 12 by 12 or bigger. But this one obviously is bigger. So a nice big piece with of this, and you can cut out these gorgeous roses if you want. You know, there's lots to do with that. So that. And then I had this in my last kit. It's this beautiful lace with all these really pretty daisy sunflowers. I mean, you could cut these out individually, or you could make a book with that. Like, again, there's so much to do with this type of a lace. So a really nice big piece of that. This I love. This is, you know, epitomizes Gypsy and Boho to me. This is vintage fabric, and it is horoscope fabric, and I absolutely love it. I want you to see how gorgeous this is. It's got all the gorgeous colors and the symbols of the zodiac. I think it's just amazing fabric. I love it. I love it. So maybe your zodiac sign is on here. Let's see, is mine? Nope. Mine is over here and it's cut off a little bit, but that's okay. Maybe yours is on here, but look at these bright, beautiful colors. I mean, I love this ram here. You could cut this out just on its own. You know, the pieces themselves. Look at the crab here for Cancer. I love that. I love it. I just think it's amazing fabric. That is vintage fabric, so, and not easy to find, that one. Beautiful piece of vintage sari. I love this. It has sequins on it. You can see there is sequins sort of scattered on this, and I did show this also in my little snippet kits that I was selling, but this is a nice big piece for you guys, so lots you can do with that. Beautiful white and like a dark blue and an aqua almost. And then this I also had in my other kit. It's a burgundy fabric. I think it goes this way. And it's got the beads on the bottom. I was able to get a bit more of it, so I was really happy that I could include that in this kit again, because these beads are just amazing on here. Super pretty. I love that fabric. This is a very heavy upholstery weight fabric in gold. You can see it's a super, super heavy fabric, but wouldn't that be just the most amazing base for a journal? A nice big piece here. It does have this sewn at the top, so you could unpick that. Really, look at that. And then it would open up. So a nice big piece of that. A beautiful sari piece here, and this is like a cherry color and green. And it depends on which way the light hits it. See, in the camera it looks really green to me, but it is not that green. It is more of a cherry burgundy color. So it depends. There you can kind of see the cherry color. Yeah, I love that. Super nice. This is a very heavily beaded piece, and it's heavy. It has this edging on it with the metal trim. And then all these sequins on here, they're all metal. Those are not like plastic. They're metal sequins. And each piece will have one of the metal flowers on it as well. And these are beautiful beads. So that is such a pretty piece. I love that piece. Again, a nice big piece. Oh, now we're getting into some really gorgeousness. Look at this. A huge piece of this. This was from a sari skirt. I managed to get the whole outfit, and look at these colors. But all of these trims you can take off. These are individually sewn on, so if you want to take those off, you can, or you can cut little pieces. I've also cut this in half. They make nice corners on a journal, so you can see, if you see there, you can just use that as a corner there. Or it kind of looks like a fleur-de-lis in a way, you know, but it's beautiful, and it has some purple sequins at the top. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. I love this piece. Yummy! This is, and I'm not going to lie, I hoarded a big piece of this for myself. This is my favorite color. I hope the camera will pick up the color. It is like an aqua teal color, but more in the blue than the green. It's absolutely stunning. This is all metal thread in here. It's all metal thread. And there's a nice edging piece. But it's so pretty, and then there's like random motifs on it. But it's a gorgeous aqua color. I've never seen one in this color. I was like, when I found it. I love this piece. It's so pretty. So you get a nice piece of that too. And then this is a beautiful soft peach color sari, and it has these little mirror rhinestones on it, sort of randomly, but it's a really pretty silky piece. It's so pretty. Nice big piece. And then now we're getting into more of the boho style fabrics. So this is a lovely purple and black cotton. Hope you can see the pattern. I love that. I mean, this would make a gorgeous journal. It really would. Or you could just make a smaller book, whatever you want. This is one of my favorite fabrics. This is like, it's not denim, but it's made to look like denim, and then they've bleached out a pattern. So you're going to get a nice big pattern piece there. I've made a journal myself out of this, and it looks beautiful. But I love that it looks like denim, and then you've got this giant motif here as well. So super gorgeous. I just love that piece. And now, my favorite fabrics. These are the burnout velvets. I have included 3 velvets, but these 2 are the burnout velvets. This one I had in my kit before, and it's the beautiful burgundy fabric, and you can see where it has been burned out. They call it burnout velvet because they place the velvet in a machine and it burns the velvet down to the netting, and they create patterns and things with it. So this beautiful burgundy, I love this fabric so much. And I was hoarding this, and I decided to part with it because it's so pretty. I wanted to share it with you guys. I just love this one. This is also burnout velvet. It's a very expensive fabric, but I have lots, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So if you've been wanting to get some burnout velvet in your stash, this is a good opportunity. You can see here where it's, hopefully the camera will pick that up. You can see through it here. See my fingers moving? But it's got gold and teal and burgundy. It's absolutely, and hot pink. It's just, I mean, this says Gypsy to me. You know, it's so beautiful. And it feels so nice. This is really nice velvet. It's so pretty. So I'm sharing this. I did keep a piece for myself that I will hoard. And this is a gorgeous piece of beautiful gold satin. I mean, you can make flowers out of it. Who doesn't love satin? And this is a really nice gold. It's like an old gold, I would say, you know, like a dark gold. So super pretty. And then this is a piece that's the same as the other fabric I showed you, but this one is in a like a tan color. So it's like the mate to this one. And again, you get the beautiful motif. I love this fabric. You know, I'm a fabric person. I just love my fabric. So I always say I love, you know, each fabric, but, you know, it's true, I do. And I'm also including a beautiful piece of this burgundy velvet. It's not burnout velvet, but it is burgundy velvet. So it's nice for gypsy and boho projects. You can do so much with it. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I love it. And last but not least, a nice big piece of this blue, navy, gold fabric. This is also vintage. And again, you can make journals out of it. You can do whatever you like with it. I think it would make a gorgeous book. You know, you could just cut that there, and then you'd have this trim. You know, there's a lot you can do with that. It's so pretty. So that is my Gypsy Boho kit, guys. I hope that you like it. This one I have to charge a tiny bit more for. I'm trying to keep the price down for you guys because I want you to be able to get some of these beautiful fabrics, and I love sharing them with you. So this kit is going to be $22. My other kit was $20, but I've added a bunch of beaded trims, so you know, I'm sticking a couple of bucks on there for the beaded trims. But it's totally worth the money. And there's 17 different fabrics, as I said. Really beautiful selection for you. I think that this is something you'll get a lot of use out of, and it's something that will last you quite a while. So I hope that you like it. I'm just putting everything back so you can see it one at a time. And this one with the gorgeous beads. Who doesn't love beads? And then sari. And then, oh, I love this. I love this. The Zodiac fabric. Lace. And lace. And then beautiful trims. Gorgeous sari trims. Who doesn't love these? You know? And my handmade trim as well. The pearl trim. A nice big piece of this blue beaded trim. Beads. An applique. And sari. So that's my kit, guys. $22 plus shipping, PayPal only. I'll put my email in the description box. You can email me if you want it, or you can leave a comment down below in the video and I will get back to you. But please reply with your email, and if you're in the States, I need your zip code and your state. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.